here. State the range of f. Well, f is the parabola, and the range is all the things that y can be. Well, the biggest y gets is 9, so y can be anything equal to 9 or less than 9. So we write y is less than or equal to 9, which would give you the mark, and it's any real number, so I like to write y as an element of the real numbers. Determine the values for which f of x is greater than or equal to g of x. In other words, where is the parabola above the line? Well, in between b and d. And the x values are minus 5 and 5. So that's why in between 5 and minus 3. This is actually a set with these inequality signs. It's the intersection of two sets where everything less than 5 and greater than minus 3 cross. In between 5 and minus 3. That's where f is greater than or equal to g. Determine the equation of the line through A, which is perpendicular to this equation. Well, perpendicular means that the gradients would multiply by -2 to equal -1. Well, that means that's how we can get this gradient. But the only way, the perpendicular gradient must be a half, because a half times -2 equals -1. Perpendicular gradients multiply to equal -1. So there's the gradient of our answer. And we want that line that has that gradient to go through 0 and 9. Well, this is the formula you use. It's called the gradient point formula. And there's your point, 0 and 9. All we do is we put in 9 for y1, 0 for x1, and the gradient is a half. There it is, a half x, add the 9, and we've done it. The equation of the line that would be parallel, that goes through 0 and 9, that's parallel to this line here, perpendicular. That's what they said, not parallel. Perpendicular, that's why it's a half. It'll be a -2 to be parallel. To be perpendicular, we need a half right there. 1/2 x plus 9. That's the perpendicular, a line that goes through 0 and 9. And that's it. That's it. All done.